Hello friends, welcome to my channel Craft Lover. Friends, today I make a beautiful diary today. Friends, I make it without glue. Let's we see what we things need. Friend, firstly you need a scissor and a white paper and some sketches to decorate our diary. Let's we start our the work. Friends, firstly you take a paper and fold it half like this, that show, and again fold it half and open this carefully. Make 3 lines here, then fold this side half and fold again. We fold 3 times also here and open 1 time and cut that show like it. On the mark you cut. All one side you cut the all mark with carefully. Do not cut second side and cut this type double to make our diary page more. And cut all two between like this and fold it. Also fold it and fold it again and again. Like this. This take a rectangular shape, then fold this type that show and fold second side also. And fold from the bottom and and do like show. Then our diary is made. This is looking so beautiful. Then we decorate our diary. Start. Friends, I make a beautiful design on this and I also make a design back. This I take a mehendi design to decorate my notebook and I also decorate my notebook from front and back side also. Friends, you see how I make beautiful diaries from a paper and only from the page and scissor. Friends, can you like my video? So let's subscribe, like and share my video.
Thank you,
Thank you, friends. Then I go and I also come to my next video. Please subscribe my video to see my more new videos. Friends, like, subscribe and share.